Brett Gurney here with brettgurney.com. The process that we went through to get up and running, and I wanted to share it with you. And for those who are maybe doing the same thing, maybe you can pick up some tips or some pointers. Hopefully we can provide some kind of value here to you to help you get going as well. That has everything to do with why I'm doing what I'm doing now, which is intensive training, internet marketing training. There's a blog school involved, all aspects of internet marketing and social media marketing training daily, because I know now how important it is to establish our own brand, and I've been down this road and have learned some hard lessons. Okay, so things are different for us now. Now our main concern is learning how to market properly on the internet. Okay, building our own brand so that we don't have to depend on a company. Okay, well, we're so convinced now, we've learned that the number one thing, the number one priority is to promote and brand the brand of you or ourselves, because we're learning as we go. I'm learning a ton. Okay, every single day I'm learning a lot, and we want to share that with you as well. For those of you out there who have come to a point where you know that you need to learn how to market. Most of us that are taking that approach, company first, us second, we don't know how to do, we don't know what to do. I guess the object here to get across is, if you learn how to market first, then you can choose whatever you want and you can market whatever you want. Okay, it doesn't matter. You'll be able to build it. If you want to plug in with what we know now, what we've learned, then you don't have to go through this like we did. Knowing where to go, how to get there, and to whom and how to ask the questions will be vital to streamlining this process. It is overwhelming if you don't know what you're doing or where to go and who to ask. These are all the things that I went through, bouncing all over the place, instead of doing what I'm doing now, letting you know that's something that you do not have to do. Have yourself a blog up and running in no time, and be networking and creating leads, free leads, with your compelling offer on your blog, driving traffic to your blog, and establishing yourself as a leader in the industry so that people want to work with you. I want to thank you for your time today, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a good one. Bye.